Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix install Windows. The computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Press Shift and F10 keys to get command prompt. Type regedit. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand setup, click and expand status. Click and expand child completion, open setup, change value data to 3. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.